you can't help but get to know the people you work with.
You can only help but to get to know people.
The people are my favorite part. We all work closely with each other.
Everyone's always together, seeing something through, seeing a beautiful project through in the end.
Our team has got everything from computer science majors, we've got electrical engineering, we've got mechanical engineering, aerospace, systems engineering, industrial engineering.
We have a good mix of experienced and inexperienced individuals.
Almost any field applies.
Everybody knows everybody working across the teams.
We look at not just current skills, but the ability and the potential of individuals to be able to take on other skills.
And that diversity actually allows a team to function at a higher level.
It's not like you have a co-worker, you have a friend.
You've done something together, you work together, you accomplish something together, and it just gives you a sense of, I know you, I know what you can do.
It's a close-knit group of people that makes it so much more personal.
It's neat to have that kind of relationship with your coworkers.
Working with people and seeing everyone succeed.
It's a bunch of passionate people all working towards a common goal.
That's how I feel about the people in this industry.
These guys are very, very committed, very passionate, and very talented.
It's more of a family dynamic.
Sometimes it feels like family.
I value family.
It's not just a job, but it's also a family.
We really feel like a family here.
Just one big family.
I used to love flying. Now I like flying, but I really love working with other people.
That's what makes it so exciting and so interesting.
I like that.